So y prime is equal to 4 over x. So we can transform this. So y prime equals dy dx. So now we can rewrite this. So we have dy dx is equal to 4 over x. Now we multiply on differential dx, so we get dy is equal to 4 over x dx. So we separate the variable, so and integrate them. So we have 1 dy equals the antiderivative of 4 over x dx. So now the 4 over x, now the d by dx of ln x is equal to 1 over x. So now we have 4 over x here, so log's gonna be involved in this. So this is equal to so y is equal to, so we got 4 now ln of x plus some constant. Now we cannot take logs of negative numbers, so we have to put an absolute value on the x. So because there's no log on negative numbers, so ln of absolute value of x. They don't exist, so we have to put in absolute value. So we have y prime equals 2x y squared. So we can transform this y prime into dy dx. So y prime equals dy dx. Now we can rewrite this problem. So dy dx equals 2xy squared. Then we multiply on differential dx, so we get dy equals 2xy squared dx. Now we divide it by y squared and put it on this side. So here it's gone. So now we have dy and then y squared, and then on this side we have 2x dx. Now we separated the variable, so now we integrate them, or take the antiderivative of each side. So the antiderivative, so we integrate. So now we can put this 2 on this side. So we integrate them separately. this one, it's gonna be, the 2 is still there, plus some constant, because the antiderivative of x to the n dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. So now we just simplify this. So this is 1 minus 1 over y equals, so we have, so 2 and 2 is 1, so we just have x squared plus c. Now we can multiply everything by a minus 1. So let's put it on this side. We can cross multiply this and solve for y. So we put a 1 here as its denominator. So 1 minus 1, so we cross multiply. So we get minus 1 equals,
if you open everything, you'll have to clean it all up later. So be careful what you open. You have to clean them up. Okay, if you open it, you're going to have to clean it up.
minus 1 equals y times x plus x squared plus c. So now we have to divide it by x squared plus c to isolate the y. So this one cancel out, so we have y equals minus 1 over x squared plus c.